Welcome to our video on the incredible health benefits of cinnamon. In this video, we will explore the science-backed advantages of incorporating cinnamon into your diet. From its tantalizing aroma to its potential in promoting heart health, cinnamon is much more than just a popular spice. Let's dive in and discover the many ways in which cinnamon can benefit your health. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that help fight off harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress, lower inflammation, and protect against chronic diseases, such as cancer and neurodegenerative conditions. Cinnamon has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet may help lower inflammation and promote better overall health. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. Studies have demonstrated that cinnamon can enhance insulin action, lower fasting blood sugar levels, and reduce insulin resistance, all of which can aid in managing diabetes. Cinnamon has been linked to several heart-healthy benefits. It may help lower LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, reduce triglyceride levels, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Cinnamon has also been shown to possess antiplatelet and anticoagulant properties, which can help prevent blood clots and reduce the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon has natural antimicrobial properties that can help fight against harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes it a powerful ingredient for supporting a healthy immune system and combating infections. Cinnamon's antimicrobial properties have been shown to be effective against various types of bacteria, including those that cause oral health issues, such as bad breath and tooth decay. In conclusion, cinnamon is not only a delightful spice that adds warmth and flavor to your meals, but it is also a superfood with an array of health benefits. From its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to its potential in managing diabetes, promoting heart health, and supporting a healthy immune system, cinnamon has a lot to offer for your overall well-being. So, why not sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal, add it to your coffee or tea, or use it in your favorite recipes to reap its incredible health benefits? Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine may just be the sweet and spicy boost your health needs. Thank you for joining us in uncovering the amazing health benefits of cinnamon. We hope you found this information informative and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on healthy living and wellness tips. Remember, a little sprinkle of cinnamon can go a long way in enhancing your health naturally. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.